So I have repr is meant to provide an unambiguous string representation of the object. It's often used for debugging and should ideally return a string that could be used to recreate the object. So you can see that if I were to copy what's returned by repr here, this would really be the initialization line for my object, and it's useful when I'm debugging and trying to kind of look into the code. Whereas string is meant to provide a readable string representation, something that maybe a user will see or that you'd print out into the terminal. So whenever you're defining your objects, you should implement the repr and the string methods. And when you do that, that allows you to directly print out instances. So I could now print out person. And when I do that and run my code, you see that I get Alice, 30 years old. Whereas now if I call the repr method on this, which just returns a string, it doesn't print it out. So let me call repr on Python. You can see that we get this unambiguous version where I can now copy this and use it to create a new version of this instance.